Do you want to know the way to win in affiliate marketing in 2021? Well, I'm going to show you exactly that in this video. Hey, what's up? Tera here, and today I'm diving into something to elaborate on a video that I did a couple of days ago where I talked about the $20,000 a week method you can do without using Clickbank. And I want to welcome you if you're new to this channel. This channel is all about me helping to help you feel nourished and to eat. Now, in this particular set of videos, I talk about affiliate marketing and strategies that will help you so that you can really actually be able to increase your chances of winning online. And that is why I wanted to do this video today. Now, something came across my news feed and it made me, perk up, and it was like, okay, look, this is now the time where I have to make sure I'm getting out the information to as many people as possible. And this is important because what I'm going to share with you is what's going to help you have an advantage over so many people in 2021, especially if you're a beginner. Now, I don't know about you, but I like to play to win, and so that's why I'm showing you how to win in affiliate marketing. This method does not require you to have Clickbank or anything like that, and let's just jump onto my screen so you can see what I'm looking at. So again, it requires you to think a little bit differently about how you've been looking at affiliate marketing. Now, if you're brand new, you're in luck. You're going to be fortunate enough to start off the right way with the right way of thinking. So again, this is my no BS zone disclaimer. This is a method that you can earn up to $20,000 a week doing. And again, if you didn't check it out, I have a video that I posted a couple of days ago and you can check that out. Now, I'm not here to, tell you that you're going to make all this extra money in 24 hours and you're going to become rich with a click of a button and all that stuff, because that would be ridiculous. That'd be taking advantage of you, especially if you're a beginner. What I am going to show you is that what is not working is the old way to do affiliate marketing. So regardless of the dollar amount that you're looking to attain with affiliate marketing, the old school mode of affiliate marketing is done. We can no longer do it. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, or if you just need a refresher, here's what the old way of doing affiliate marketing was all about. There are 3 steps to making money the old way, okay? You would go to a network like Clickbank or any other affiliate marketing network that you choose. You would go and find a product, then you would go ahead and make a website, you put your product link on there, and then of course if someone buys, you make money. How do they buy, or how do they buy from you? Well, you send traffic, okay? It's a very simple, singular pathway where once you do that, you make a sale and that's it, right? So now here are the problems with that though. You only again make one single commission on the sale. And this is a problem because it doesn't matter what business you're in. If you're in business, no business is going to just have one product. And if they have one product that they show you on the front end, then on the back end, which is a term you should get to know, and I'll probably talk about in another video, in the back end, they have so many things going on that is helping them to not just have one product, okay? I mean, let's just put it this way. For example, regardless of what you think about McDonald's, I'm a vegetarian, but I think this is very important because we're talking about business. Now, do you think they would have the same kind of legacy or whatever you want to call it if they had only said, you want hamburgers, and never ever said, do you want fries with that? Okay, so think about that. What they're doing there is kind of like the new way of doing affiliate marketing. And I say this because what it is that you have to have multiple commissions in order to have success. So it's kind of like old school, but new way of thinking about it, right? Because it's not like it hasn't existed before. Businesses who are successful have multiple products. But the thing is, and even if you just start with one, right? If you were to just start with one, but the thing is, in this new way of doing affiliate marketing, you can not only plug in and have multiple commissions, but you're opening up so many more possibilities to actually succeed because you're not just putting all your eggs into one basket. Now, I'm going to tell you what I was told when I heard this concept of multiple commissions, okay? First thing is, you're going to want to write it down. I already have it here, but again, I'll write it again. Multiple commissions, okay? Just write it down, find something that you can write on. I happen to have a floppy disk, notepad. I don't know, I'm a nerd. You want to write it down, but also I want to encourage you to, in the comments below right now, Also declare it. Say multiple commissions, declare it, because when you do that, you're putting it out there and you're not only allowing other people to see what you're talking about, but you are putting it out there as something that you want to attain and that you desire in this world. And remember, if you want to have success, you need to earn multiple commissions, period. Okay, so now that you know what you know, how do you do it? Well, again, let's look at the old way. It doesn't work because you get those single commissions, which implies you have no monthly commissions coming in. So what does that really mean? Well, it means that you're not getting those recurring income. And what happens is the vendor, the person that you're promoting this product for, gets the money. Then the person that you're getting the traffic from, the traffic source, gets this money second. Then you go to the affiliate network, for example, Clickbank, they'll get their cut of the money, and then you finally get your cut of money. I don't know about you, but that sounds like a losing game to me. I personally play to win. So if you want to win online in 2021, here's the game plan, okay? You have to focus on, again, the simple concept of multiple commissions. Now, how do we get commissions? Well, you change the model. You literally just turn it upside down on its head. Now, you say no to affiliate networks. Really what you're looking for are ecosystems. And now the difference between the two is that you're going to be able to tap into more streams of income, essentially, okay? Like the Partner with Anthony program, which again, there's a link down below if you want to find out all about this. You can go ahead and check out that link so you can get more information. But basically, the way that we're doing it in the Partner with Anthony community, it's like, again, we're building that website, we're putting that the product link to promote it, we're sending traffic, but the winning difference is that they are sent to a members area. Now, when you have these new people in this members area, where there's going to be all these different lessons. For example, in the Partner with Anthony program, there are 30 lessons that you can tap into and you learn how to do affiliate marketing. You get all this information, but here's the magic, okay? And I want you to pay close attention to this. So let's say someone gets to lesson 4 of 30, right? And of course, in whatever ecosystem you tap into or you plug into, they might have more lessons, they might have less. But in this case, there's 30 lessons in the Partner with Anthony program, and there's going to be more added. So anyway, someone gets to lesson 4. In that lesson, they get trained on different tools and resources that are going to help them in their business. So naturally, they're going to get the training, they're going to learn about it, and what are they going to do? More chances than not, they're probably going to buy that purchase that product because you're saying you need it in that business, you're showing them how to use it, and it just makes sense, right? So you're going to get money after the initial sale, and then potentially when they see those resources, you'll get sales, money on those sales as well. So this is how you get multiple commissions, okay? And what's even better in this model, it's you who gets the most money. And then you probably will say maybe it's the affiliate or the traffic source, and then the ecosystem will get their cut. And actually they'll make less money the more money that you make, which is crazy, but that's just the way it works in this model. So that sounds like a winning game. So if you're serious about making it happen in 2021 and being able to eat no matter what is going on in this crazy world that we live in, then I encourage you to make it a priority to find yourself an ecosystem to plug into like yesterday, ASAP, okay? Now here's the benefit. You're gonna have a more of an advantage than anyone else because you're plugging into something that's not just one product, but it's gonna be multiple products, and you're gonna be able to leverage all that work, hard work, like for example, Partner with Anthony program. It's a proven system that's been around for over a decade, and I didn't have to do all that work. I just plug in and then I have access to earning potential from all these different products. You're going to avoid the struggle that other affiliate marketers are going to have because they're going to be doing the old way and you're going to be like, oh, I'm doing the new way. And you won't feel the need to do the worst thing you could ever do, which is quit. So what can you do right now? Here's your call to action, okay? Tap into ecosystems. If you already have an ecosystem that you're tapped into, please get more. Tap into all the ecosystems that you can, keep building on that. And if you're looking for an ecosystem, then again, in the description box below, or if you're on Instagram, in the link in the bio, make sure you click that. Check it out. because you can get tapped into the Partner with Anthony system, ecosystem that I'm tapped into. And again, why I recommend it? Well, it's an ecosystem, and you also get paid these ways. You earn a commission when people, buy into that core product to learn how to do affiliate marketing. But then you also earn commissions anytime they're throughout the membership area, and there are trainings and education on using tools and resources that are going to be in their business. So it's super simple, easy to plug in, and you can just check out the link below. And I encourage you especially to check out the link below if you want to level the playing field and no more having to feel like you are never going to be able to play the game and win, right? You want to level that, you want to increase your potential of winning online, then click that link below. And also, if you rather be educated, given value first, and not just sold and given hype and lies and just being taken advantage of and toyed around with, well then also click that link in the description below, because not only will you have my assistance and the team behind Anthony, including his own help, but you also have a community of people ready to help you succeed no matter what. I'd love to teach you more, and I'd also love to help you connect the dots while working and partnering with Anthony. So all you have to do, click that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and please leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments, and I will make sure to do my best to reply to all of them, or as many as I can, within a timely fashion. So please go ahead, leave me some comments, and make sure you smash that like button, and make sure that you tell the algorithms that you like what this content is, because it also helps other people like you find this content as well. And again, make sure you click the link in the description box below if you're interested in the Partner with Anthony program.